Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another unboxing from FeeLookArt. Now I have it in the original container that came to me in the mail because I wanted to show you. You're going to receive any order from Feelook in a box. So the blue signature Feelook art box is always going to be protected. So let me take it out. I'll be quite honest with you, I wasn't sure which kit I was going to receive. They said, give us your top two choices, which I did. And I got my top choice, which is this beautiful owl right there. It's quite large. It's the second largest kit I've gotten from Feelook. And let me show you everything. The drills in this, oh my lordy, they're really nice. So I love how Feelook packages everything. They really take the time to package and ship your item nicely. It says, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. What I appreciate about Feelook is they just specialize in diamond paintings. When you go to their website, you're not going to see, scrapbooking supplies, paints, cross stitch, whatever. It's just diamond paintings. And I've unboxed for multiple companies over the years, and nothing wrong with the other companies. I've enjoyed doing their diamond paintings. But one thing about Feelook, this is like the Cadillac, in my opinion, the Cadillac of diamond painting, down to the canvas that it's on, to how they package everything, to even the little guides they give you. Now this is what I'm going to be doing. The design size is 60 by 80 centimeters. If you don't have centimeters, conversion, like in your country, they also listed in inches, 23.6 by 31.5 inches. They give you the fabric size. They give you a key for every single drill in the kit. There's 40 drills in this kit, and these peel off and stick on the little baggies that they also provide in the kit. So, all right, let me stop chit-chatting and show you this beauty. It is really something else. And the drills, oh my, they're luscious. They're really luscious. And I'm also going to show you at the end of the video the progress I've made on my first kit that I unboxed with them. I'm almost done. And I might make an exception and start this kit just because I just think it's so beautiful. This is an owl. Look how large this is. Look at that. It's an owl with like stained glass backing. Here are all the lovely drills. Quite heavy, actually. Look at that. It's just luscious. I love the drills that they also provide. It's really high quality. And here is the little accessories kit. Now, all my kits that I've received, I think this is my 5th one that I'm unboxing for them. The accessory kit has been the same. Comes with the 2 trays for your drills, extra wax for the stylus pen. Love this stylus pen. It's already preloaded with an orange wax, and you just unscrew this and load in this white wax. I love this pen. I say in all my videos because ergonomically, I mean, it just feels good in my hand. It just feels like a good pen. I like it. For me, it works. I do have like some blingy drill pens. I always use this one. Comes with the beautiful tweezers. Mine have always been purple with a nice little plastic case on it, covering case. And then all the baggies, so you can number your bags to the key and fill them up. They also have these numbers here, which correspond to these numbers. You can double it up if you want, but these numbers here have a little, as you can see, just want to make sure you can see it clearly. They actually have the symbol that's in the guide right here. So it's a beautiful kit, and I'm so tempted to start it and show you some progress. But I think for now, I am just going to do the unboxing part of the video because I really want to finish the other kit I started. I don't have the space to lay out multiple kits in a row, unfortunately. Before I show you the progress of the kit that I'm almost finished, it's called Blooms. Feelook did want me to pass on this summer sale that they're having right now. If you spend $100 on their website, they're going to automatically give you a 20% discount, and that includes free shipping. If you spend $150, you're going to get a 25% discount. And if you spend at least $200, they're going to give you a 30% discount. And they say that every order of $100, you're going to receive a free $15 gift card. And the gift cards are valid for 365 days. And you can use those on future purchases through their site. I also, and then the future purchases you make, you can also keep earning $15 gift cards for every $100 you spend. So that's good. That's really good. It actually beats my code. I have a code. It's called House of Jane 10, which will give you 10% off your order. So if you have an order under $100, you know, and you just like want to buy one kit, my code will work for you. House of Jane 10. I will put it in the link below. Because sometimes, you know, you just want to order one kit. You don't want to reach that $100 limit. So that's that. Let me show you my Blooms kit. I'm almost done with it. And then I think the next one I am going to do the Candlelight and Roses, and then this one. Candlelight and Roses is a little bit smaller than this one. Okay, let me show you my Blooms kit. It's almost done. So let me back out. I have it kind of like hung up on a bookshelf. This is my almost done kit. I'm at the very end, but as you can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I am going to frame this. I'm going to apply a clear coat of Mod Podge over every single bead with a drill. I'm going to make sure everything is pressed down nicely, and then I am hopefully going to frame this myself or get it framed. So yeah, I just got, you can see what I have left to do, and I just need a few good sessions and I will be done. This one is a little bit, well, the design size for here is 50 by 70. The design size of this one is 60 by 80. So they're very, very close, close in size. Both vertical kits. So I'm going to finish that up. And that's it for today, guys. I thank you for joining me today. Oh, I just see on my bookshelf, if you want to take a glimpse of my family, that's me and my family, and with my son. This young man married her, Isa, almost 2 years ago, and that was at his wedding. So we're all very happy there. So that's me and my family, if you're ever curious. I know I haven't been showing my face on video, but I do show my face on other videos that I do. But all right, I'm blabbing. So anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful time. I'll leave all the links down below for this kit, the owl one, and you can check it out. It is going to be really fun to do this one. It's going to be super. It's gorgeous. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.